Our sports cards. It is the 1st of June 2016, and we're coming at you with a break of Topps Triple Threads 2015 baseball for Tailgator. And without any further ado, let's get this break going. Good luck, Tailgator. Let's get something massive. Some 1-on-1s. We like those. All right. Mini box. Mini box. Empty. All right, we'll go for one at a time here. And we'll see what we can pull. All right, empty. Get a... All right, good luck. Let's do this, Tailgator. Make sure you can still see everything there. Good. Okay. All right. First up, we've got our Jason Haywood base card. Jason Hayward. Next up, Addison Russell. Addison Russell for the Chicago Cubs. Not getting any focus, but base card. Then we got Matt Kemp for the San Diego Padres. Matt Kemp. And, ooh, really nice. I like, for the Texas Rangers, number 3 out of 18, Prince Fielder. Prince Fielder.
Prodigious pace.
Yes.
You have to be able to word rap on that one.
Pro dice R pace.
Oh, prodigious.
Yeah, prodigious. Yeah, no, I was like, it's little then big, little then big. Very nice hit. I like that card a lot. I like Fielder. Prince Fielder for the Texas Rangers. 3 out of 18. I might have said 16. I think it's 3 out of 18 there. We'll get that one sleeved and top loaded there for you. Next up, Jorge Soler. Jorge Soler. 10 out of 18 for the Chicago Cubs. Single color patch. And our first parallel is Mark McGwire, number 243 out of 250. Mark McGwire, 243 out of 250. And our second parallel is Jacoby Ellsbury. Jacoby Ellsbury, 214 out of 354.
I can still see it running.
Perfect. All right. Next box. So we are still due a triple, right? A triple
thread?
A triple thread? Yeah. Okay. Empty box. All right, good luck, Tailgator. Let's keep it going. I'm a Fielder fan, so I've got his jersey. All right. I think we're going to take the bottom two, which are the parallels. We'll move those up. All right, so your first parallel is going to be Sonny Gray, number 49 out of 50 for the Oakland A's.
Sonny Gray.
Next up, Jose Bautista.
One of your favorites.
Yes. Born on the same day as me, same year. Number 217 out of 354. Jose Bautista for the Toronto. He's literally my brother from another mother. Next up, Jonathan Lucroy for the Milwaukee Brewers. Base card. Jonathan Lucroy. Ooh, an old school. Ricky Henderson. Ricky Henderson base card for the Oakland Athletics. Yasiel Puig. Yasiel Puig base for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Puig. All right. Autograph. Matt Barnes. Matt Barnes for the Boston Red Sox, numbered 37 out of 50. Matt Barnes. Single color patch. Nice looking auto. for the Boston Red Sox. A lot of Oakland A's love in this box.
11 A's.
First up, Sonny Gray. Looks like it's actually an on-card auto. Sonny Gray for the Oakland A's, 25 out of 99. On-card auto. 25 out of 99. Nice two-color patch.
Nice.
And next up, pretty nice card here. Troy Tulowitzki. Troy Tulowitzki, no longer with the Colorado Rockies, but 4 out of 27. First rookie.
Is that considered the triple thread because
I think so. Yeah, I think so. 4 out of 27. Nice. I thought that was a pretty good box.
I'd be happy with that.
I definitely, yeah, that's some nice autos, nice materials. Let me recap the hits here. We've got the Prince Fielder, 3 out of 18. Prince Fielder for the Texas Rangers. Then you've got the Jorge Soler, 10 out of 18. Then you've got the Sonny Gray, 25 out of 99. Then you've got the Matt Barnes, 37 out of 50.
All nice little numbers.
Yep. And the Troy Tulowitzki, number 4 out of 27. Well, I hope you like that, Tailgator. Congratulations, and we'll get this out to you ASAP. Thanks a lot.